Assalamu alaikum students. In this video we will prove the answers which we can get from the formulas given in the previous video. First formula is integral of x raised to power 4 dx is equal to x 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 is equal to x 5 over 5 plus c. We will verify this by taking derivative of this answer. As we know that derivatives are reverse of integration, so by taking the derivative of this, by derivative of 1 over 5 x5, 1 over 5 will be left behind, derivative of x5 will be equal to 5 x raised to power 5 minus 1 into derivative of x, which is 1. So 5 would be cancelled by 5, which is the answer is equal to x4. So as the answer is same, so we can say that this formula is verified. For next we have integral of 1 over x cube 1 over under root x cube dx, which can also be written as x raised to power minus 3 by 2. By formula stated in the previous video, the answer would be x raised to power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 over minus 3 by 2 plus 1, which is equal to x minus 1 by 2 over minus 1 by 2, which can be written as minus 2 over under root x plus c. To verify this, we will take the derivative of this answer. So taking the derivative minus 2 over under root x is equal to minus 2 derivative of x raised to power minus 2 and the derivative would be minus 1 by 2 x minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into derivative of x, which is 1. By simplifying, we get x raised to power minus 3 by 2, which can also be written as x over under root x cube. So this formula is also verified. Moving on to next, we have integral of 1 over 2x plus 3 raised to power 4 dx. According to formula, it can be integrated as 2x plus 3 raised to power minus 4 plus 1 over 2 into minus 4 plus 1, 2x plus 3 raised to power minus 3 over minus 6, which can be written as minus 1 over 6 into 2x plus 3 cube plus c. To verify this, we will take the derivative of this answer. By taking the derivative, we have minus 1 over 6 into 2x plus 3 raised to power 3 is equal to minus 1 by 6. Derivative of 2x plus 3 raised to power minus 3 minus 6. Derivative of this formula would be minus 3 into 2x plus 3 raised to power minus 3 minus 1 into derivative of the function under power, which is 2. 6 is cancelled by minus 3 and 2. Minus into minus would be positive. So the answer is 1 over 2x plus 3 raised to power 4, which is equal to our question. So it is verified. Next formula is integral of cos 2x dx. By formula, it is 1 over 2 sin 2x plus c. To verify this, we will take the derivative of this answer, which is 1 over 2 derivative of sin 2x. As we know that derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x. So 1 over 2 into cos 2x into derivative of the angle. 2 will be cancelled by this 2. So answer is cos 2x, which is equal to our question. Integral of sin 3x dx is equal to minus 1 by 3 cos 3x plus c. Taking the derivative of this answer, derivative of minus 1 by 3 cos 3x is equal to minus 1 by 3 dx cos 3x. Derivative of cos 3x is minus sin 3x into angle's derivative, which is minus 1 by 3 into minus sin 3x into 3. 3 will be cancelled by this 3. So the answer will be sin 3x, which is equal to our question. So this formula is also verified. Part 6 is integral of cosecant square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. To verify this, we will take derivative of minus cot x. As we know that derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So it will be minus into minus cosecant square x. Minus will be cancelled by minus. So it is equal to cosecant square x, which is equal to our answer. This verifies the formulas given in the previous video.